Today I'd like to share the fun of doing the hoop walk with you, and to make it extra fun we're going to add some step through combinations like that one. In fact, there'll be 3 combinations so you can pick the ones you like best. So if we start with the basic hoop walk, hoop out to the side, hand underneath, the hoop is going to come in front of your body and out, in front of your body and out. As it comes across in front, you pick up the opposite leg and put it through. Then as it comes out, this back leg slides up and goes through. So now you've got a new back leg that can slide up and go through. Up, through, up, through. I'll show you from behind. So here we are to the side, going in and out. Opposite leg goes through, back leg comes up and through. Up and through, up and through, up and through. And half the fun of hoop walks is what happens with your free arm, how you choose to pose. Too much fun. Anyway, let's get to the serious bit. Let's get to the variations. They're all step throughs of different sorts. Some of them happen on an odd number, so 1, 3, 5, 7, depending on how much room you've got to walk. And some of them happen on even numbers, 2, 4, 6, etc. First one we're going to do is an odd number variation. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and pause there and bring the hoop up for a step through. We're framed, we go through the hoop and come down. But we're going to turn it into a double dip step through by bringing your arm and your leg around the front. So arm and leg come round and up. You see how it's balanced on the back of my hand? And I can go through like that. Just show that little bit again. So 1, 2, 3, up, through, back leg and hoop come round, so they're in that position in front of you, up on the back of your hand and through. And then you could just step out, but it's a little bit more fun if, I'll come back so you can see my feet a bit more, you trap it between your thighs and you're going to stamp down so that the hoop will flick round. So it flicks and you can take it off like that. I'll show you all that from behind. So 1, 2, 3, up for the step through, round to prepare for the double dip step through, and trap it, and step down to flick so you can take it with this hand and take it round and off. So that's the double dip version. Next variation from the hoop walk is on an even number, so a 2 or a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're in a bit of a different position here, and we can lift it up, knee comes up as well, and then if you put your arms through and sort of balance them there, it's a nice one. I always think of this as a dragonfly position, so it's a nice moment to pause in. You could do another flick if you wanted to, like we did in the last one. But to make it different, what we're going to do is put the foot down, take this hand to grab the hoop, and take it off and behind us. So we're ready to go into other moves from there. That's where that one ends. I'll show you from behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it up into the dragonfly position. Have a little stop there. Put the one that's been on your knee down. Let this hand come and take the hoop so you can take it off. If you point your toe, it's going to look nicer. And there you are, ready for the next one. One more. So here we go. This one's on an odd number. And it's especially for people who like wedgies. So if you don't like wedgies, you might want to ignore this one. So 1, 2, 3. Step through again. This time you're going to bring the hoop around yourself happy as you like. From behind. 1, 2, 3, up it goes. And bring it round, 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 round. Ready to ping it with all that lovely tension into a wedgie. Ta-da! So, hoop walk, step-throughs, fun. I hope you get something from that you enjoy. And if you've got any questions or you'd like a bit more help, please let me know. You know I like to help. So thank you for watching. Bye.